Hi everyone, my name is Christina. This is my first YouTube video and today I'm going to be talking about hair tips. I have a total of 10. I have them all written down on this notepad right here. These are just tips that I use on my hair that has helped me maintain growth and length into my hair. I have been natural all my life, but I really started taking good hair care tips and applying them to myself around 2015, I believe. I'll show you the length of my hair. It's kind of right here. I don't know how to explain that. Past bra strap length, and then the back. It's right here, all the way down to my tailbone. So, and it stretches, as you can see. I'm just gonna go straight into the tips. So the first one is always cover your hair at night. When I go to bed and I don't have anything on my hair, I wake up and my hair is a matted mess. It's crazy. It loses all the moisture. It's not defined. Also, you lose your style, so it's best to just always cover your hair at night, whether it be a bonnet, even a do-rag. You can put that on your hair. Just make sure it has like a satin texture and not a cotton texture. Also, another tip that has helped me is if I go to bed and I forget to put something on my head, or if I go to bed with something on my head and it falls off, a satin pillowcase, it comes in handy. So I really like that to use as well. You can get them on Amazon, I believe, for around 10 bucks or something like that. So my second tip is wash hair with conditioner used as leave-in. I really like this tip because when I wash my hair with conditioner, it kind of adds a lot of moisture to my hair, and it makes it very soft, and I can do a lot of styles. If I'm in between washes, it's a great thing that I like to do as well, and it makes your hair very soft. Number 3 is shampoo hair when needed, only put on scalp. When I take a shower, I only concentrate the shampoo on my scalp, because if you put the shampoo on the length of your hair, it's going to dry out and strip your hair of all that moisture that you've put into it, or all the moisture that is in your hair, all the natural moisture. So try to just concentrate the shampoo on your scalp. It'll clean your scalp and make your scalp clean, and a clean scalp leads to healthy hair. And just let the shampoo run along the length of your hair. That's how your hair will in turn get clean, not by you directly putting the shampoo on your scalp, if that makes sense. Number 5, do not use towels on your hair. Again, it'll break your hair off when you're done shampooing your hair and conditioning your hair. If you use a towel, you're just going to reverse all that hard work, because it's just going to rub against our hair. Our hair is different, so anything can really break our hair and strip it of its natural moistures. So how would I use to combat that is that I used a t-shirt. Any t-shirt would work well. You can get that at your local store as well. If you have an old t-shirt laying around, just put that on your head in place of a towel, and you'll see the difference. You'll feel the difference in your hair. Your hair will be way more manageable. Number 7 is avoid sulphate or aqua in products. Yes, so when you go to the store, just turn that bottle around. If you see anything that says parabens, aqua, stay away from it, because it'll dry your hair out. So just try to stay away from that as best as you can. I live by a school, so you can hear the bells. Number 8 is wear protective style, braid out or twist out. So what I have in my hair now is a braid out. It was easy to achieve. I just put my hair into 4 braids. I used my warm water that I put into a spray bottle, and I sprayed it on my hair, and then I put shea butter in it, braided it up. In the morning I took it out. It's very easy for me to do that, to kind of like keep up with my hair on a regular basis. If I want to wear it out like this, I just do that. Twist outs are the same process as well. I do a little bit more coiling. If you want me to make a video on that, I'll be happy to do it. Number 10, when detangling your hair, start from the bottom up. Yes, so when you're detangling your hair, you want to start from the bottom up to reduce the breakage. Also, this is a very good tip that kind of flows in with this. Pull apart your hair with your fingers before you go at it with a brush or a comb. It'll help your hair not lose as much hair. So when you do that, and it'll make it very easier to detangle. You just start from the bottom and work your way up, and you could also add conditioner on that as well. My hair is getting... Number 11 is trim your ends when needed. I don't have a set regimen for when I trim my ends. I just do it whenever my hair feels split, or if I take my hair, run my fingers through my hair, and if I feel my hair feeling a little dry, I will just snip that off. So that's how you can do it as well. Number 12, do not overstyle your hair. Yes, let it breathe. I know it's hard. You want to see that fast growth, but it'll grow. If you do your hair on Sunday, try to keep it until the next Sunday. Try a week and then kind of up it to 2 weeks, and you'll see it grow. It'll actually start growing from your roots, which is pretty cool. Oh, that was already 12. I passed 10. Me throwing one more. Number 13 is because I'm nice. Just kidding. So number 13 says oil scalp with warm water and your oil of choice. That's the quickest, most efficient way to oil your hair. If you're in a rush or you just want to get some moisture in your hair real quick, spray it with some warm water and then put your oil. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned anything, you can go ahead and subscribe and give it a like. Thank you and have a great day.